Hi, I'm Georgina Wilson, an architect based in Sydney, Australia, and this is my Rose Bay project. Welcome to the ballroom. This room has been the surprise hit of this project. The clients have told me it's the room that causes the most envy. The kitchen is a real showstopper. It's so large, we've been able to design this 4.5 metre long kitchen island with Calcutta jade marble. The clients are massive entertainers, and so it was important to them to have ample indoor and outdoor living spaces. Bye, thanks for coming.